Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Welcome on into my beauty stash. I have the new LadyBug Glow Everyday Sparkle palette to try out for you guys today. The time that I am filming this video, I believe this palette is launching in a couple days, so I'm not sure if you're going to see my video go up the day of the launch or the day before the launch, but it is also going to be restocked with this palette right here, which is the Pawn Lily palette. That is the last LadyBug Glow Cosmetics palette that I reviewed. I love it. Very beautiful look. You guys love the lavender look I created with that palette. But now meet Everyday Sparkle. This is going to be a 8-pan palette. We are getting 4 matte shadows, 2 duochromes, and 2 multi-chrome shadows. And it retails for $32.50. But if you use my affiliate code Steff, that will give you 10% off of your order. Amanda, the owner, was very kind to send me this in PR. I love it, guys. Neutrals. What did I say? Neutrals. They are making a comeback. And here we are with this beautiful little 8-pan neutral palette. I think this might be a winner. Ignore that. They are picking up the trash from my house as we speak. If it is your first time here on my channel, let me just say hello and welcome to all of you. My name is Steff. This is what I love to do. Love trying out new makeup, especially new indie makeup. If that sounds like something you want to see and somewhere you want to be, we're a big family here and I want to invite you to become part of our family. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button, hit the bell next to it. That way you can be notified every time I drop a new video. And if you are as interested in this palette as I am, or you just love supporting indie makeup, give this video a thumbs up before you go. Let's get started, guys. I'll be creating 2 looks for you guys today with Everyday Sparkle. If you guys want to see how it all turns out, keep on watching. Now, I've already primed my eyelids with my go-to eyeshadow primer of the moment. It comes to us from Drizzle. Guys, this is only $7.50, and if you use my affiliate code STEFF10, that will give you 10% off your order or anything you want to buy over at Drizzle. So let's dive into this little cute palette. You do get a mirror up here. Everyday Sparkle. I think I'm going to start off with this peachy pink shade. The shade is called Peachy, and I'm taking it on a BK A503. That shade built up beautifully. Very smooth, very easy to blend out. All right, now I think I'm gonna go into, this darker brown shade. I'm taking this on my rougher 14. Maybe we can do a little bit of a halo eye. A little bit right in here as well. So when Amanda posted the photos of this palette, I originally thought there were 2 different palettes because the way the shifts of the duo and multi-chromes look, they straight up look like 2 different palettes. And she's like, no, it's just 1 palette. I was like, wow, those are some nice multi-dimensional shimmer shadows you got going on there. So I have a very strong feeling this is going to be a beautiful palette. Now on a damp Morphe M124, I think I'm going to go in with this shade right here. That is beautiful. I think it has a little bit of like a peach lavender shift to it. I'm going to go back in with the first shade called Peachy. Now for the lower lash line, I'm going to go in with this shade right here. I'm using a BK210. And with that same brush, I'm going to dip back into the first shimmer shade, or the only shimmer shade that I use, and I am going to spray it. Pick up the product first, and then I just spray with a little MAC Fix Plus. That'll be our little inner corner highlight. Okay guys, I'm gonna pop off camera, take care of finishing touches, and I will be right back to show you this completed look number 1. So here's the completed look number 1. I went in with a dark brown eyeliner, and it is this one from Flower Beauty. It's in the shade Dark and Stormy, and it's just a pen style eyeliner for the top lash line. For the lower waterline, I use this one from Moira. This one is in the shade Peach. No, shade 04 Peach. just to kind of brighten up that waterline. And then the mascara I'll be using in today's video is this one from Lancome, my little travel size of the Monsieur Big Mascara. Love the way the palette is performing so far. I was able to use 4 shades. Got 4 more to use. Let's move over to the left eye and we'll start working on look number 2. So for look number 2, I think I'm gonna pack this shade. This is the only matte shade I haven't used, but I think I'm gonna pack this on the lid. This one is called Coffee. I'm taking Coffee on a BK203. I'm just gonna start stamping this all over the lid. And I'll get a little blending brush to help me kind of define the shape a little bit better. This almost matches my shirt. A little bit of a grungy shade. Now on a Rephr 13, I just picked up a little bit of the shade. And I'm just gonna lightly blend right out here. I want that rounded eye effect, or rounded shape effect. Very nice. I actually think I'm going to continue with this shade down here, the lower lash line. Now I have 3 of the duo and multi-chromes to use. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start first with this shade over here. I would say this shade that I'm picking up has the most texture to it. So using a glitter primer probably would be best. Ooh, that is beautiful. You can see the little texture to it. Wow, that has like purple to gold. That's stunning. Just a little bit of fallout right there. Now I'm going to go into this shade and then we'll end with this shade. So just all 3. This one right here in the center. This is a little bit smoother than that first one. Wow. Okay. Now we're going to end with this one right here. This one has like a green flip to it. This is probably the smoothest shade, shimmer shadow, in the whole palette. I'm just going to bring that shade down. This is a damp BH Cosmetics pencil brush. That's pretty, really nice smoky eye. You know what, I think I'm going to take this one just all the way through. Just hug the lash line with it. Wow, I'm impressed. Let me go ahead and do the finishing touches. I'll be right back to show you the completed look number 2. So here's the completed look number 2. For the lower waterline, I went in with this one from NYX. It's one of their Epic Smoke Liners, and it's in the shade Sage Sparks. For the top lash line, I use my Wet n Wild Breakup Proof Liquid Liner, and then same everything else, same mascara. Very nice smoky eye, like a green brown, kind of a little bit of a grungy vibe, smoky eye, and then here a little bit of something lighter. Maybe this is evening, maybe this is daytime. Loved it, and I got to use every shade in the palette. Let me go ahead and wrap up today's video, and I'll share with you guys my final thoughts on Everyday Sparkle from the LadyBug Glow Cosmetics. Well, to no surprise, another hit from LadyBug Glow. I love the size of this palette. I love the butterflies. I love, you know, just everything, like the cover. I think it's cute. You get a mirror, you get your 8 shades, 4 mattes, 2 duochromes, 2 multichromes. I thought it was fantastic for $32.50 less a discount code, which you can use mine, Steff, or you can use anybody else's. That will give you 10% off of your order. I thought that this was a really nice palette. If you're looking for a mini size neutral palette that doesn't break the bank, but still gives you duo and multi-chrome formulas that obviously looks stunning on the lid, and I got only one little bit of fallout, and it was over here on this side, and I didn't have to use a glitter glue. I just sprayed my brush. So this is a really nice formula. If you bought Murky Waters, I think that these, because Murky Waters was also an 8-pan palette, I think these two are probably my favorite from the brand. And that's because I have a couple others. So they're an up and coming brand. Right now, LadyBug Glow is only sold on Etsy, so they do ship internationally. Not entirely sure what the cost is, but I know they might have free shipping here in the US. Not entirely sure, but head on over to their website. I'm gonna have my LadyBug Glow Cosmetics playlist linked in a pinned comment. And then, of course, I'll have all the details on this one. This is launching really soon, along with the restock of the Pond Lily palette, which I reviewed about a week or two ago. So let me know your thoughts. Which look was your favorite? Team 1, Team 2, none, all? Sound off in the comments down below. Let me know if Everyday Sparkle is going to be in your future. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. You all have a great day or night wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, guys. Look, got my big water jug right here. Cheers. And I'm going to see you all very soon. Bye.